Welcome guys, mapay nito guys, 9 PM. Pray nito guys. Stay. Pray nito guys. Pray nito guys. Wait, sana hindi ito. Ano guys?
My phone invites you to join me in this timely prayer. Evening prayer. Oh my God, at the end of this day, I thank you most heartily for all the graces I have received from you. I'm sorry that I have not made a better use of them. I'm sorry for all the sins I have committed against you. Forgive me, oh my God, and graciously protect me this night. Blessed Virgin Mary, my dear Heavenly Mother, take me under your protection. Saint Joseph, my dear guardian angel, and all you saints of God, pray for me. Sweet Jesus, have pity on all poor sinners, and save them from hell. Have mercy on the suffering souls in purgatory. Amen.
Bye-bye ito guys. See you tomorrow. See you to me phone guys. Ito guys sa me phone. Bye.